Hello friends, my name is Dr. Vijay Sharma. I am Assistant Professor in Department of Management, Engineering College Bikaner. Today we are going to understand how to upload your online exam or how to conduct your online exam through Google Classroom and how to schedule your online exam in Google Classroom. So first of all, open a new tab in Chrome browser or whichever browser you are using. Type Google Classroom. Open the Google Classroom. Now you can see that I'm having two classes in MBA program. So I'm selecting MBA second semester exam. This is just for sample or demo only. Uh, I will click on it. Then I will click on the classwork section. Once it is open, I will click on create, and then on the very first tab, that is assignment. Now I can type the name of the title, several stars, marketing management, second midterm exam. I can also provide some instructions. Then I will click on the add section. It will provide me four options to upload the exam. I'm using the third, that is file. Since I've already created a file there, it will open a new tab, a new window, and then I'll click on select files from your device. Click on the particular file that you wish to upload. Click on the upload section. Once the file will be uploaded, then click on the particular tab, that is student can view the file. Click on it and click on the third option, that is make a copy for each student. On the right hand side, this is for MBA second semester and this is for all students. If you like to give this assignment to few of the students, you can also mark these students here. Otherwise, click on the all students and then provide maximum marks, that is 10 marks. Then if you have also discussed with your student that there is some due date on or before that students have to submit the assignment, then click on it and then click on no due date section. It will open a calendar. Highlight the particular date on which you would like to get the assignment done from your student. You can also provide a time. Say for instance, I'm providing a time of 6 p.m. So that is, student have to submit their assignment on or before 6 p.m. on 23rd of April 2020. Then on topic section, you can also provide a topic, that is marketing management. Now on the upper side, you will find that there is a particular tab near to assign tab. Click on it and then you will find a schedule tab. Now this is a schedule assignment. You can schedule your assignment, that is students can only view this assignment on after this particular time and date. Say for instance, I'm highlighting, that is 23rd of April 2020 and 2 p.m. and then clicking on schedule event. Now student will be able to view this particular exam only after 2 p.m. on 23rd of April 2020, and they have to submit the assignment uh, before 6 p.m. on or before 6 p.m. on that particular date. So this is a method through which we can upload the assignment and we can schedule the midterm exams. Thank you very much.